All right, love, we're going. What are you doing today?
Well, I started on something without you.
I see that. That's a big crowbar.
Pry bar.
Pry bar,
So
excuse me.
part of this whole project is we're going to replace these backsplash boards with a lighter one.
Right, because
And we're going to cut this down to do our edge.
Oh, around the dishwasher.
Around the dishwasher.
Okay.
So I got my pry bars out because
And we're going to put a new sink in.
Yeah, we're going to change the sink out and stuff
That's
here.
That's really ugly.
And with this wiring, we're going to get all that. But I don't feel great today.
I know.
And so while I was standing, I thought I would try to get something done because I don't think I'm going to get a lot done. So I grabbed a couple pry bars. I actually got this to move out a little bit. So we're just kind of trying to work our way down, I think. It seems to be coming out. Uh-oh.
No, I don't know where it went.
Gone forever.
They have pin nailed that in there. And it's gone.
It really is gone forever.
It like rolled underneath.
Flipped over backwards. I was looking for a green handle and the pry bar and it was poking towards me. Yes, I believe it's pin nailed.
Yeah, I saw a nail there, so that, because we want to save the board so you can rip it down.
Yes.
So you don't want to snap it.
Unfortunately, the bead of silicone on the bottom is not holding
Well, it's like 30 years old, so.
super well. So that's eating.
You win. And now I got some boards to clean. Or some logs to clean.
Yep. So if any luck, I can push these back out.
Through and use the board.
And then we don't have to worry about where we cut.
Oh, it looks like it just was the same board, only cut down that they used. So that should give
if
us
it's
the
not
same.
the same, at least it's
the same color.
It's the same color, so
it will look less.
do what hopefully we need it to do here.